What is going on, guys? Welcome to another video yet again. So you can see just on my last video, you can see in the top right, I did call out ticker KAPA at 97 cents. Now, if we pull up the chart, you can see this one ran from 97 cents all the way to highs of $3.25, a massive 230% plus gainer caught on the channel. So if you are enjoying this content, drop a quick like for me on this video. It does really help me out. I have no program, nothing at all to sell you guys, and these alerts are completely free. And also make sure you have the notification bell turned on, because these alerts are extremely time sensitive, and make sure you watch this entire video so you do not miss the very key information I will be discussing near the end as well. So I do have a penny stock that is currently trading at 70 cents that has not diluted a single share since 2021. So the outstanding share count has actually went down because they did initiate a 1 million share buyback, and they did follow through with this, canceling over 1 million shares, or just around 1 million shares. So according to Dilution Tracker, they do have 520 months of cash left, which is, over 40 years of cash left. They have real revenue coming in, zero long-term debt. So for a $7 million market cap company, they are severely undervalued, and we are expecting many catalysts for 2025. So this is definitely one that has to be on your radar. So the stock I'm talking about in this video is ticker MITQ, Moving Image Technologies Inc., which is currently trading at 70 cents. So just looking at their fundamentals right away, they are extremely undervalued, sitting just around a $7 million market cap, and they already have that pretty much in cash on hand, or just under that. They have $5.2 million cash in the bank with just under $11 million in total assets, zero long-term debt, and $5 million in total liabilities. So the balance sheet already is looking very clean. Please keep in mind, I always add 3 zeros through these numbers. Now, looking at their financials, they've been doing just around $20 million in revenue for the past few years, and are on the verge of profitability. And they're not there yet, but they are getting very close. And just for the last quarter, they only lost $25,000 in terms of net income, and did $5.3 million in total revenue, or just under that, for their last fiscal quarter. Looking on Dilution Tracker, it does say the company does have 521 months of cash left, based on a quarterly cash burn rate of $300,000 and estimated current cash of $5.2 million. Now, this is one that did IPO back in July of 2021, and it is an extremely rare situation when you see a company that IPOs, 3 or 4 years ago, that has not diluted a single share at all, had no reverse splits either. So the outstanding share count has actually went down from 10.6 million shares, or 10.9 million shares in 2023, all the way down to 9.9 million outstanding shares currently, because they did implement a 1 million share buyback, and they followed through with this. So that's extremely rare right here. Just fundamentally undervalued, zero dilution filings at all. Ticker MITQ is definitely one that is also anticipating multiple catalysts for 2025. What do they do as a business? Well, they are a leading manufacturer and integrator of purpose-built technology and equipment to support a wide variety of entertainment applications, with a focus on motion picture exhibition. MIT offers a wide range of products and services, including custom engineering, systems design, integration and installation, enterprise software solution, digital cinema, AV integration, as well as customized solutions for emerging entertainment technologies. They do have a Caddy products division, which designs and sells proprietary cup holder and other seating-based products and lighting systems for theaters and stadiums. And they are directly targeting, cinemas, movie theaters, even NFL and MLB stadiums, and they are currently in talks with some major NHL and MLB executives to implement their new technology in their stadiums. We're going to talk about that later in the video. Fiscal year 2024 was really a challenge for them, so they kicked off the year with a very strong revenue growth and profitability in the first quarter. However, the momentum they had built came to a pause due to the impact of the Hollywood writers and actors strikes, which led to widespread delays in their customers' spending. So, they really had to get through that hurdle, but they are starting to rebound, and this sector is starting to heat up. So, looking at this one in this PR recently, they say, as we move into fiscal year 2025, the CEO is more confident than ever in the future of his company. They've emerged from challenges of fiscal year 2024 stronger, more focused, and poised to benefit from the recovery of the cinema industry and the growing demand for premium entertainment experiences. They also expect to see meaningful progress from their strategic initiatives, which we will update publicly as appropriate throughout the year. And something that's really big right here is they did, management proactively implemented $600,000 in cost reductions, streamlining their operations to enhance efficiency, and these efforts will help them realize greater operating leverage, positioning MIT to achieve profitability more quickly. So if you go back to their financials quarter over quarter, you can see before that Hollywood strike, they did $6.6 million in total revenue with $439,000 in net income. So that was, they were looking pretty good. And you can see this is where the Hollywood and actors strike really did start to affect their business. And then you can see how it is now starting to recover. And just looking at their margins right here, you can see they lost $800,000, then they lost $600,000, then they lost $400,000, and then for the most recent fiscal quarter, they only lost $25,000. So those $600,000 or that $600,000 in annualized cost reductions really is starting to show on their financial statements as their business is poised to finally rebound after all that damage from that Hollywood strike and everything going on through this time period. So that is why this one is worth watching, and guys, already is extremely undervalued, and it looks like 2025 could be a historic rebound year for ticker MITQ. So guys, there are, multiple, around 6+ different potential catalysts for fiscal year 2025. Just a lot of updates that could come out at any moment. Something they have that's pretty interesting right here is they do have caddy products, which are designed for restrooms, concession trays, concession tables for cinemas and theaters, churches, grocery stores, performing yards, sports venues, and much more. And they have had successful introductory conversations with MLB and NHL stadium executives about these new caddy products they're working on. So that is a major catalyst as well if any kind of deal does go through. And this is for their brand new product, the eCaddy, which is coming soon. And this is a product that has the potential to transform their entire business. So the TAM, the total addressable market, is millions upon millions of units. If you just think of all the MLB, NHL, NFL, and college stadiums, so there's just an immaculate market for this, a never-ending market of possibilities if this product is successful and does secure some of these major deals that they are having conversations with currently. So that's just something really major. They're expecting just a lot of press releases I'm expecting to come out very soon, and that is ticker MITQ. So the float of this company is sitting around 6 million shares, pretty small float. So when volume comes in, this one can be extremely volatile. Market cap is sitting at $7 million, and there is something going on internally with their operations where they are replacing projectors for certain companies or something like that, where this should yield them around $20 million within the next 4 years, I believe. So a lot of big things are happening, and that's just one little thing that's going on right here. But that's all I have for the video. And let me know in the comments what other plays you're watching, what you think of this play, and I will see you on the next video.